One more problem. Okay, we will teach the next article, that is real and apparent depth. Real and apparent depth. As you know that when we put a glass slab on the newspaper, then we can feel that the words of the newspapers are coming upsides. They are not at the actual positions, but they are lifting upwards. This is due to the refraction of light, and we feel the words of the paper or newspapers is coming outside or upward. Okay, so real depth is denoted by n. So it is the ratio of actually real depth upon apparent depth. Real depth upon apparent depth. N is equal to real depth divided by apparent depth. This is the formula. N is equal to R upon A. Actually, when we put a stick in the glass utensil, fill of water halfly, then pencil look like cross, and this is because of the refraction of light. The pencil's light is diverging from its original directions. So really where it is and where we are filling its positions is called apparent. Suppose that in this sea or pool, a fish is swimming just below the 6 centimeter from the upper surface of the water, and a crane is flying 6 meter above the water, and this crane want to catch that fish. The crane is to this crane, the fish is below the water level at a distance of 6 centimeters. So how much this crane have to insert its beak to pick up that fish? So we have to calculate first the real depth of this fish inside the water. So and the refractive index of light is given by 4 by 3, suppose 4 by 3. So according to this formula, n is equal to R upon A, where n is the refractive index 4 by 3, and we have to calculate real depth of this fish, and apparently it is looking like 6 centimeter. So R is equal to 4 into 6 divided by 3. R is equal to 24 divided by 3. R is equal to 8 centimeter. So real depth of this fish inside the water is actually really 8 centimeter from the surface of water, but To crane, it is looking just 6 centimeter below from the upper surface of the water because of the refraction of light. So its real depth is 8 centimeter and apparent depth which is filling by the crane is 6 centimeter. So to pick up this fish for the crane had to insert its beak into the water up to the 6 centimeter, then and then this crane can pick up that fish. Okay, so this is called the real and apparent depth, and today's lecture we finished here. Thank you.